Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing our package from Temu.
My summer things too.
Yeah, Michelle and Rachel's summer package, summer clothes. So I bought some few items on Temu. So
Diaries.
we will be unboxing them with you guys. Let me ping this thing here. So let's unbox our summer item with you. First, let me check if this thing is recording. Okay, it's recording. Okay.
So first we're gonna take the big one.
Yeah, let's
Wow, some pretty clothes.
yeah. Rachel, come on, put it together. Rachel. So this is a dress. Okay. Wow, this is a dress for Michelle.
Yay! I got my cap. I got
Wow,
my.
this dress looks so big. Oh, I don't even know. Well, anyhow,
Oh,
she's
Michelle, there is no hat.
yeah.
This is mine.
Hey, come on.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try this right now. This is what I was waiting for long.
Yeah.
Ah, it's so
Bend down.
pretty.
Bend down and show yourself, okay? Like this, they sell quality items on Temu. Like seriously, guys.
Look, I look so cute.
It's you can if you want it to be bigger. This is it.
Yes.
Oh,
That looks so cute.
and this
Wait a minute.
is a shirt. Wow,
And
this is a
this
shirt.
is a pink shirt.
Yeah, it's a pink shirt. I think it's
Look at my hat.
Rachel. Oh, this is sandals for me.
What?
Aw.
It looks almost like Jesus.
Wow.
It looks almost like Jesus sandals, but not really.
It looks like Jesus sandals. I'm like, what's this in your nose? Oh my God. Michelle said it looked like Jesus sandal. Really, guys, this thing looks like Jesus sandal. Okay.
Wow, look at this cute little
Yeah, this is my
hat.
hat for summer. For
Oh, it
summer
looks so.
swimming.
It looks so cute. I'm gonna put it in my head.
Yeah, this is my summer
Things.
for swimming. I bought, so that we can flaunt ourselves. Yeah, this is your jeans. I think, Michelle, this is for you. I bought jeans.
Let me open it.
Yeah, and I bought it. Like, guys, like this company, they sell very nice clothes. Wow, look at the quality.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Seriously? This is my dress.
It looks so cute.
Yeah, this is my
Everything looks
dress.
so cute.
Okay, I think this is for...
Wow, we found a little box. Mommy, I found a little box.
This is my this is my summer wear for going to school because
there's glasses.
we plan on going for this
my
is
own glasses.
this is a shirt for the girls.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, this is a gown for Michelle.
Mommy, this
This is your glasses. Put it on and let's see.
Oh, it looks all orange.
Let's see.
Oh.
You not clean your nose very well. Wow. You like it?
Yes, everything is orange.
Yeah, this is a dress for Michelle.
Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
Yeah, you have a lot of. I did not buy dress for you because Rachel, you have so many dress, but
No, I never had a dress. I just had a little.
yeah, I bought stuff for you. Rachel, stop it.
You don't need to cry for everything.
Yeah, this is for Michelle too. Okay, yeah, this is for okay, this is for you. Yeah, this pick is for you and this pick is for you.
Oh, what is this? Is that another box?
Yeah, I bought a sandal for myself. Like seriously, guys, they are selling good quality. Good, nice quality. Michelle, I bought. This is your lip gloss. What's this? This is your own lip gloss.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes, I
I
bought.
can't open it. Ah.
Okay, this is Rachel glasses. Yeah.
Oh,
You
just
love it.
try-
And this is Rachel lip gloss. Okay, this for you. The pink is for you.
I got
So let's open the second package.
the lip gloss is so glittery. Look at this. You see that? It's glittery.
Yeah, let me see. Let me open it for you.
You need to buy this. They're so cool and so cute. The second package.
Look at my girl.
Oh my gosh.
Look at my girl.
Maybe I'm
These
gonna
are
wear one
shirts for the girls, you know.
Wait, let me see.
These are shirts. I think this is.
Oh yeah, this is what I wanted.
This is for you.
This is what I wanted. I know this.
Yeah.
I know this girl.
So it's in
Mommy, I know this
it's
girl.
in 3 different colors. So this is for you.
What? Huh? What is this?
And okay, this is for you too. I bought a jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is for you, Michelle.
Wow.
For 130. Wow, it looks so small. What we'll see. We'll try.
I'm gonna wear some pretty dress tomorrow.
Okay, and this is for you.
Wait, what is
No,
this?
no. I think this is for me. Yeah, this is for
It's
me.
kind of big. The last package that I've ever done. What? Look at that. Look what I found.
What?
Sandals!
Oh, I just prayed this undersize you because this girl, guys, she's so tall.
I'm 40.
Sometimes.
My
Oh, God, though.
This is
yeah,
for
bring
who?
your leg. It's for you. So I just pray.
and me.
It's size you. I pray. Oh my God. Not. It's size up, but still. But it's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
It's not
Why?
big.
It's no. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
It's so. It's not. It's so nice.
yeah.
It's-
Wait a minute.
It's very nice. Let me. See.
It writes sports on it.
Yeah.
Sports.
But it's very nice. Like you know,
Yeah.
and they are cheap. Yeah, they are not.
You need to really buy this.
Expensive. I think. Okay, this is for
You,
Rachel.
you need to really buy it. Wait, let me try mine too, thing.
And okay, I think this is for Rachel. Yeah, these tops are for Rachel, you know, guys, just for summer.
Let me see.
Is it showing? Okay, yeah, I'm showing this for summer.
Oh, it's the same
And
thing like
yeah,
mine.
it's the same thing, yeah. Wow, look at the quality, guys. Like
You really need to buy this right
this
now.
quality is so good. Oh my
And
god.
they're so pretty. They're so cute.
Look at
and everything.
this thing, the black girl.
Look at
So
my
nice.
lip gloss. Side open it.
Like, you know.
Oh my god.
Okay. Yeah, this is my it's big. It's big. It's big. My baby is so small. Oh my god.
Wait.
It's big for Rachel. But anyways,
It's
yeah.
so cute coming.
Look at you. Go show yourself to the camera. Say hello, guys. I said, say hello, guys.
Hello guys.
Look at me. Say you look pretty. Say.
I look pretty.
Oh my god. Like, you know, I love this. I think this is the 4th time shopping on Temu. Like, their things are very good. You know, guys, they are very,
Look at
very.
me, guys.
Okay, wow.
I look so cute like this. Maybe I should wear this tomorrow. Tomorrow
Yeah,
for
this
school.
is for you. Yeah, this is for I bought the leggings for you.
Love. This is what I wanted.
And this is for me, so that you know the 3 of us.
We're all wear pink.
Yeah, we're gonna wear pink, and
Pink.
you know it's
My
it's
favorite
the same.
color. I got
And I
look,
have a shirt.
look at this cap.
Yeah.
It's so sparkly and so cute.
Wow, I think that's all. So all these items I spent about, I think I will check it and I might put it on the, you know. I think I spent about 250 euros. That is it from I think from 200 to 250 euros. Sorry. So I think about maybe 200,000 or 300,000, but since it's in euros, so it's okay. It's not really expensive, and it's just some summer wears, you know, for especially for the girls. Like, look at this, you know. Oh, I think this is for 110. This one. No, it's not your size. It's a little bit bigger for Rachel. Like Rachel leg is very small. Why Madame leg is so big? Like
She swear
they are
30,
more than opposite.
29.
Michelle is wearing 35, and I bought 35.
34
and, you
and
know,
35.
like she can only wear this year. So well, this I think we call it keto in Nigeria or something. It's so nice, guys. Like I did not even. I love all these tops. Like they are of good quality. Like the quality, you know. I love the quality of my girl, and it's like wow. It's so nice. It's very nice. If you have not done anything on Temu, you can check their website. If you are watching me from Nigeria, I think they deliver to Nigeria. I am not sure. Okay, this is for my baby. This is for my little baby.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm not sure, but you can check if they deliver to Nigeria. They have nice stuff, like
Yeah, they have a lot
Yeah.
of stuff and everything is so cute.
yeah, it's so nice.
Wait, let me see this dress. Oh,
No, that's your panties. Don't show. You don't want them. Don't let them to see your pants. Cover it, put it, because you're a big girl. And I bought some
cute little-
earrings.
wait, let me see.
Okay, I think I got some
These little
tops.
dishes.
Let me see.
Wow, that looks.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Some black girl
Black girl versus pink girls.
I got some black girl top. And this jumpsuit, I have something like this jumpsuit. So when I saw it, I was like, I need to get it for the girls. Like, it's so nice, especially for summer. So because now it's kind of odd. So I love all the items I got so far. This is my, like, guys, the quality. Oh my God, the quality is good. What was that? I think it's this for you. Yes, this is for you. What do you want to do?
Put the food
You have put your lip. Where did you put it? Let me see. You put it on your lips. Because your lips is Pringles. Is it? Where's your lip gloss?
I think it was me.
Did you put it on your lips? Well, you put it on your lips instead. Let me see.
Look.
Let's put it small.
Me too, I'm gonna put
Just
small.
just small.
Look at this. I'm gonna show you this. Look
About this.
at this sparkly thing.
Okay.
You see that? It's so sparkly.
Okay, it's okay. They can see.
See?
So what
I'm
will you
gonna put
guys say to me?
Wow.
This is Michelle dress. Like,
Oh, it looks so cute.
yeah. It's okay. But don't lose it, eh? You can put it in your bag and you can take it to school, but just yes. Oh my God, they have nice stuff.
Wow. Maybe I have to wear
this is,
some
no,
of this.
this is for me, not for you. This is for
Wait,
you.
maybe I have to wear this some tomorrow.
Yeah, you
maybe
can wear.
this.
Yeah, you can wear some of it tomorrow with your son. That this is for you too. So you can wear.
I'm gonna choose one.
Thank you guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our unboxing. Okay.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.
Yes, guys, you have to comment if you want to see more video of another. This is a life of a single mom. It's not easy, like, all the things I bought for myself, I think maybe like 4 stuff, but everything is for the girls, that this is motherhood for you, especially us that are single, we put the kids first, and before I could think of myself, I think of these 2 big heads first.
I'm not big, Ed. What are you talking
I'm working because of them, so we have to make them happy. So these are the things we bought for summer. Though we always see, go to the shop and buy some other things. But these are the things I will be ordering online. I'm done with online stuff for this month. Probably maybe by September. But, I would just, go to the shop and buy some few things more. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. So you can check out Temu. You can check out the website, and if you are watching from Nigeria, you can order. And if you are watching, outside the country, UK, US, any other place from Africa, you can check. I know it's common. Everybody, heard about. We all just look at this sandal. Look at how pretty it is.
Wait a minute.
It's like, oh my God, it's so. 40 TV. Why did I pick 40 TV?
You forgot to. You're supposed to wear 42.
Hey, cover it. Don't waste it, eh?
I'm still wasting.
Close it very well.
Don't finish it.
Close it. Let me close it very well.
Look at this. It's so sparkly. I love
See
it.
your cap. So you take your cap to school tomorrow?
Yeah, me
And you must
too.
not.
I'm so excited for tomorrow.
So you wear to school tomorrow, and let me see.
Hey, mine's. What are you going to hang? Wait.
So, yeah.
Look Look at me, I'm so cute.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. And this thing, though Rachel have like 3 or 4 sandals, so her leg is so small. So
Yes.
normally any sandal I buy for her, she can wear it for like 2 or 3 years because her leg is so small. But this madam only wear once I buy a sandal for her that year, next year like this. But this is big. I will keep it, and I'll keep it, and she will wear the other sandal. And wow, look at, oh my god, look at the prints. Look at the nice print on this. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate. Okay, let me see my summer. Yeah, gay. My summer hat. Oh my god.
I'm so.
My summer hat. Oh my god, my summer. I'm using. Yeah, I think it's with this. Yes, like I have some swimming.
Things.
Yeah. Oh my god. They go for this summer. So this is what I'm going to the pool, and I will just wear some swimming stuff inside, and this thing on it, and my hat with my glasses. They go
This is my.
Yeah. So thanks so much for watching, guys.